Hi students, today we will discuss the shift in center of mass. Actually, what is center of mass? Center of mass means a total mass of the body assumed to be concentrated at a single point. Listen, suppose I am balancing this body means this is the center of mass of the this pen. Okay, like that. For the regular body means the center of mass is same as that of the center of the body. Okay, suppose if I am removing some of the part of the body, then what is the shift in center of mass? In which direction it will shift and how much it shift that we will discuss. Okay, how we can able to find out the shift in center of mass? We will we will solve the equation. Okay, let's watch. Listen, this is the one of the body and this body mass is, suppose m is the mass of this body, mass of this whole body, the mass of whole body. Okay, suppose I am removing some of the mass from here, any shape, I am considering any shape. So this is the mass. Small letter m is the mass removed. It is the mass removed. So what is the remaining mass? The remaining mass is m minus m is the remaining mass. Okay. Suppose initially this is the center of mass of the system, and I am taking this as C. This is the original center of mass of the system. Suppose this much mass is removed means this center of mass will shift to this point. Suppose this is C dash. This much distance, that is X shift, center of mass. What is the center of mass shift? X shift. Okay. And suppose this point, it is the center of the mass removed. Then I am considering as it is a C2. And what is the distance from original center of mass to the center of mass of the mass removed body? Suppose it is D. Okay, and I am considering this point as 0, 0, origin 0, 0. Okay, and then what about this point? This is x-axis. So what about this point? That from here to this D. So D0, D0. And what about here? It is left side. So that means it is minus x shift in 0. Okay. So what is the equation of the position of the center of mass? The position of the center of mass is xcm equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the equation of the position of the center of mass. In this case, what is the x shift we need to find out? Okay. So here xcm is a 0 only. So 0 equal to m1. m1 means the remaining mass. Remaining mass is m minus m. What is the x1? x1 means a minus x shift. So minus x shift. Okay. Plus then m2. m2 means this mass. Mass removed. That means that is m. Then what is x2? This much distance D. Divided by total mass. Total mass we know that m is the total mass. Okay, bring m to this side. So m into 0, 0 only. So minus m minus m x shift equal to this term we can bring to this side. So minus m into d. So minus minus cancel each other. So from this equation we can write x shift is equal to m d divided by m minus m. Okay, so what is m? Mass removed. What is d? It is the distance between the center of mass of the mass removed and the original center of mass of the body divided by total mass minus mass removed. This is our equation, and using this equation we can solve one of the problem. Okay. Suppose this is a circular plate. What is this? It is a circular plate of radius r. Clear? So we know that for the circular body, the center of mass lies here only. This is the original center of mass. I am removing the one mass whose radius is r by 2. So like that I am removing. So this is the r by 2 radius. Okay. So what is the shifting center of mass? We know that the center of mass will shift to this side. So what is this much distance? X shift. Okay. So what is the equation we know? The equation is x shift is equal to mass removed into d, the distance divided by total mass minus mass removed. Okay, so density rho equal to, what is this? Density rho equal to mass divided by volume. Okay, mass divided by volume. So what is total mass? M is equal to rho into volume means the area into thickness. Suppose the thickness is h. Okay, so what is the area? Pi into r square h. Okay, so what is the mass removed here? Rho into this area of this the mass removed. So there is a radius is r by 2. So pi into r by 2 square h. Okay, so we got the total mass and mass removed. Just substitute here. So x shift is equal to mass removed is a rho pi r square by 4 h d divided by, what is d here? D means the center of mass of the mass removed and this original center of mass. So we know that d is nothing but here d is nothing but r by 2. Okay, I am substituting here. This is r by 2. Okay, so the mass minus mass removed. So what are the common terms? Rho pi h. Rho pi h. Okay, in the bracket what are the terms? Here r square is the minus r square by 4. Okay, r square by 4. So we can cancel the rho pi h with this. So here r cube by 8 divided by here r square minus what, r square by 4 means 3 r square by 4. 3 r square by 4, and which is equal to, we can write like this, r cube by 8 into 4 by 3 r square. So this 2 and 4 cancelled each other. So the final answer we can write here, that is x shift equal to r, one of the 2 r will cancel each other. So r in divided by this 4 and 8, 2 into 3, that means r by 6 is the answer. Okay, and suppose we are removing instead of this one, we are removing s square. What is that final answer? What is the x shift? It will change according to the mass of the square. Okay.